So let's start question number 1. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Square this p root, and 36 is actually 6 square. So 6 square. And whenever we have a root 3 like this, we can write 1 by 3. If we have a 6, we can write 1 by 6. But a piece, we can write 1 by p. So you can see here. And here 6 power p. And power to power, the property is very clear. When power again power, so they multiply. So 6 to power 2 over p is 6 to power p here. Because same basis, this word is not compulsory, but if you write, good. If you don't write, no issue. So this is basis cancels, and we can take the powers. Cross multiply p into p, become p square. Here some student when take root, they just root plus. No, you must write plus and minus. Because whenever we take a square root, always two answers come. One plus and one minus. And let's go the question number 2. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 27 to power x minus 2. Dot means multiply. And 9 to power 2. So 27 is 3 to power 3. Okay. And 9 is 3 to power 2. And 9 is again 3 to power 2. But on the top we have 2. And you know power to power multiply. 3 will multiply not only x, even 2 as well. After this and this, 2 into x and 2 to the 4. Now same basis power add, like x to power a times 2 x to power b. So power adds. Same story, 3 to power 3x minus x plus 2x is equal to 3 to power 4. And 2x plus 3 give you 5x. I am doing extra steps, but you can skip 1 or 2 if you wish. No problem at all. And right here, same basis. So same basis. Because this 3 and this 3 match, that is why. Cancel them. And we got 5x minus 6 equal to 4. This 6 goes another end, add with 4 become 10. So x is 2. And we have finished first 2 questions. So question number 3. There's 1 by 3 on the top. $27 is 3 to power 3. And x 1 power up, 1 down. So power subtract. Upper power minus lower power. Now because inside the multiply signs, so I can distribute this power to every number. In case of plus and minus, it is not allowed. And power to power multiply. So I'm saving my 1 step. This cancel 3xy to power 2. Power 1 you write or you don't write, no issue at all because 1 power is same. Number 4 question and 27 is again we know 3 to power 3. And on the top we have a 2p plus 1. Again same plan, power to power multiply. So 3 2s are 6p. So this and 3 1s are 3. And now I can say same basis, same basis. And now I can leave basis 3, 3 cancel, take powers. This 3, 3 cancel, and 6p equal to p. P come on this side, 6p minus p. So 5p equal to 0. This 5 divide there. So 0 by 5 is 0. Okay, so I'm starting now. Number 5. 9 is 3 to power 2. 27 is 3 to power 3. So I can replace any value here 2 on the top 2 again. So let me check. Yeah, 27 is 3 to power 3. Power to power, powers multiply becomes 4. After that, I can say this x plus 4. If you're expert now, you can do shortcut even. But same basis, I'm doing with the full working. You can skip one step, and x plus 4 equal to 3, and x is equals to minus 1. Even you can go from here to here direct even, no issue. This much ability, this much you can do it. Now here, this is, you must know it. If you don't know, you can do like this, 32, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times. But as a teacher, I memorize that 32 is equals to 2 to power 5. I'm writing here 5 and same powers. I'm writing here, this word is not compulsory to show examiner, okay? Same powers. So bases are equals to each other. So I can say 2x minus 6 equals to 2, 2x is equals to 8, x is equal to 4. So the question is number 7 and number 8. You know, best, try your best. Look at here, this 32. I think 32 I taught many times, 2 to power 5. 64 is very clear. There are two options, 2 to power 6, or we can say 64 is 4 to power 3 as well. So these things you have to memorize is better. And now we can talk about 125. So 125, because end with this number ends with a 5. So most probably this is a multiple of the power 5. So look at here. This is a 5 to power 3. So 125 is 5 fives are 25 into 5 becomes 125. So here I can replace 3 and on the top, remember I can save my step this way and then power multiply rather than doing whole thing. I can do direct. How direct? I can do direct multiply like that. Power to power multiply. 2 to power 5. Wait a minute. I think I copied the wrong question. Yeah, there's a mistake. This is not a half. This power is 2 by 5. So multiply this 5 into 2 by 5. Similarly, my students, I can choose anyone. Okay, let's use 2. 2 to power 6 into 1 by 3. And now you can see easily 3, 3 cancels, 5, 5 cancel, 3 cancel, and we got a 2 here. So 5 to power 1 comes, 2 to power 2 comes, 2 to power 2. I can cancel directly, and 5 to power 1 means 5 answer. I think so. Now you are gradually understanding. This 32 is available here, and 64 is available here. I can say directly 2 to power 5 on the whole k plus 1. And here 2 to power 6. Power to power always multiply. So 5k plus 5 and is equal to 2 to power 6. Same basis match. I can eliminate without writing this word, but my habit, I always write. So it is good for the student to understand. This 5 goes there, it becomes out of 6, 5 gone, 1 left. And this 5 multiply will divide down, become 1 by 5. So I think so up till now clear. So this is a 1. I know 5 to power 0 is 1, 2 to power 0 is 1, 24 to power 0 is 1. And this one I bring first here. This one I can replace by any number here. But most suitable number is if I write 2 to power 0, not suitable. I can't solve. But if I write 24 to power 0 is suitable. Reason, same basis. So take root of both sides, not to answer, plus and minus 2. Here 5 to power 3 is 125 and 5 to power 4 is 625. So I'm sure you're understanding the whole story. So power to power multiply is 3 multiply with k and 3 multiply with that. It's 5 power 4k. Same basis. 1 is equal to 4k minus 3k. So k is equal to 1. So we finished number 10. So number 11 is first common out. 2xy common. Naturally, here 16 left. Out of 5x is 1 gone. So 4x is left. I'm in power 4. Here out of 5y is 1 gone. So 4 left. Rest you know. So this kind of question we always write like this. I put a bracket and ask ourselves what to write here. Here y come? No, y square. Here 4x? No, 4 square. And then I can write next step, one time the bracket values add and one time the bracket values subtract. But the question is not over. The question is not fully over. We have to proceed. Again, the square of some value, again, the square of some value. So here 2y, here y. So 2xy into 4x to power 2 plus y to power 2. One time add. So this is x, sorry. This is by mistake. I wrote y. So I should write here 2x. So one time add and one time subtract. So 2x plus y and 2x minus y. From here, 7y common, we got a p to power 2 minus 4. And we can write here power 2's. Easy, very easy task. One time plus, one time minus. Take a screenshot.
Sir, I completed the worksheet.
So question number 15 I'm doing now. Question number 15. 8 is 2 to the power 3 and x to the power 4 minus 2. Y to the power 5 minus 2. And on the top I have 1 by 3. 2 to the power 3, x to the power 6, y to the power 3. Now distribute the power and that's it. So 2x to the power 2, y is my answer. Similarly here, 32 is 2 to the power 5, x to the power 3 minus 2, and y is bigger down, so I write here 8 minus 2. Even I bring it up, later on I can bring it down, no issue. Both are correct. 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5, and this might become plus, this become 5, x power 5 into 1 by 5. In denominator, minus minus plus, 8 plus 2, 10. So this cancel, and 5 2s are cancelled. 2x over y square. Okay, now I'm discussing question 17, 18 parallel. So simple. What is 8? 8 is 2 to the power 3. 16, 2 to the power 4. 49, 7 to the power 2. Here, power to power multiply, it becomes 6x. Here, power to power 4 into x and 4 into 2. So same basis cancels. Alhamdulillah, fi Rabbil Alameen. So x becomes 2, sorry, 4. Come on the right hand side question. So 49. So 49 is 7 to power 2. So 7 to power x and power by multiply, same basis. So x minus 2x is equal to 4, or negative shift on other end, no problem. Number 19 and 20. 19 is 5 to power x plus 1. So 20 I'm writing also here. So 5 no change, but 125 is 5 to power 3. So power to power multiply. 3 threes are 9. Same basis. So x become minus 4. So after this, we can go for the next. This is 27. All of you know 3 to power 3. This as it is. 3 to power 2. So here 3x comes. 3 to power x plus 1, power to power multiply. Make sure 2 to the 4x and 2 3s are 6. So become 5x and plus 7. Same basis cancels. So it become minus 2x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by minus 2, or minus 7 by 2. No issue. Both are correct. So now I'm discussing students with you. Question number, there are many still questions are there to solve. But first I'm doing 24 and then I'll do 27. 24 is what? 4 to power x, 2 to power 5 minus x, 2 to power 4x, and a to power x minus 3. And what is the 4? All of you know 2 to power 2. And what is 8? All of you know 2 to power 3. So I can replace. No rocket science up till now. Here same. On the top I got 2x and down I have a 2 to power 5 minus x. Here 2 to power 4x. Here 2 to power 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Up till now nothing new. And you know when x to power 10 on top, x to power 3 on down, what we do always? We always power
Minus.
subtract. Power subtract. Upper power minus lower power. So same rule we can apply here,
Sir,
nothing new. So 2 to
Yes.
power 2x minus 5, but plus x. Why plus x? Because look at the way. Upper power minus lower power. Upper is 2x, lower is 5 minus x. When you open the bracket, minus 5 and minus plus. There's a difference only. So upper power minus lower power. I'm sure you are understanding all these things up till now.
Yes.
Now I'm going to
sir,
continue. Yes, please.
sir, can we also cross multiply? Is that allowed?
Cross multiply also okay. 100% correct. 100% correct. Same story of Eve. If you do even cross multiply, my son, same way. Are you getting or not? And answer you'll get a same. You cross multiply or you bring it up or you bring it on the other end. No issue at all. Same basis. Mabruk, you got the answer.
Sir, can you
5
also
goes
explain
there.
22?
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. So we got a 2x, x becomes 7 answer. Please, Ibad, ask again.
Can you explain question 22?
22. Why not after these two questions, inshallah? Still we have a time. And now, please, all of you stop writing because 27, 28, 29, all three are harder and new pattern. Rest till 26, all previous same. 27, look at here. He's saying if 3 to power m is equal to p, so you have to express this in the language, in the form, in the term of p. Like in my answer, p must involve. So let's take this value here. 27 to power 2m minus 1. Okay. Now you have to concentrate here fully. If you'll not listen to me, you will not understand at all. My question from you, normally what we do, x to power 7 by x to power 3. What we do, okay, Ibad 7 minus 3. Ibad, open mic, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ibad, if I have this, can I go backward? Backward means x to power 7 up, x to power 3 down. Yes or no?
Yes.
Reverse process. Okay, my question from Yumna. Yumna, open your mic, my dear. If I
Yes.
have x to power 3 minus 2, how I can go reverse? Please help me. What to write here? What to write here?
2 and 3.
Perfect. 3 up, 2 down. MashaAllah, you done very well. Okay, again, my question is from Ibad. Ibad, take your time. P to power x minus 5. Ibad, what to write? P power up and what to write down?
Up px, down p5.
Repeat again loudly. Up what?
Up power x, then down power 5.
100% correct. Please open anyone who is not understanding this concept going backward. If you understand this all 4 question in your hand. Salma, you got this idea or not?
Yes,
Salma,
yes, yes.
Asil, you got this idea or not? Asil,
Yes.
Khalas. Asil, Mabruk, you are close to answer. First of all, Asil, I make easy. Problem is that this 27 is disturbing help. But what is here 3? Oh, it means first, before to start, apply this rule. So Asil, first I'll go to transform 27. And you know that 27 is equals to 3 to power 3. So first, Salma, I'm keeping the power 3 on the top. I have 2m minus 1 and power to power multiply.
Multiply.
So I'm sure all of you understanding up till now, no rocket science. No rocket science. Now I'm applying this property which I'm rubbing now, which I am rubbing. And now my question, Yumna, to say, sir, so easy. There 1, 3 up, 1, 3 down. This 3 I will write here, and this 6m I will write here. Yumna, open your mic, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good, Mabruk. And this is 3 by 3, you know what? It is 27. So I'm down, I'm writing 27. But Yumna, look at here. Problem is that, Yumna, I need 3 to power single m. But problem I have here 6m. Can I write 3 to power m inside and 6 outside the bracket, Jumna? Because you know
Yes.
that, Jumna, because Jumna, you know, power to power, if I multiply, I get back. Jumna, is it okay?
Yes.
And Jumna, what is this? Show yellow color. Oh, this is P.
Okay.
Mabruk, this is answer. He said, give you answer in the shape of P. And Mabruk. And again, Yumna, 3 to power m in the bracket is actually 2. Equal to what? Please say loudly.
Uh,
I write here 3 to power m is equal to P. Where you found 3 to power m replaced by P.
okay.
Like 3 to power m values how much P. So in short, where I find 3 to power m, I will throw in dustbin, I'll put P there. Yumna, not clear? Yumna, this
Clear,
6,
sir.
6
Clear.
match, correct. 27, 27 match, correct.
Yes.
6, 6 match, correct. But 3 to
Yes.
power m, I will replace P. Still not clear?
No, sir. It's clear.
Clear. Salma, open your mic. Agreed with me or not?
Yes, yes, I understood.
Alhamdulillah. And I think so now you can do any kind of question easily, I'm sure. But okay. First of all, please take a screenshot because this is the most important question. And 1 minute, I think Ibad was asking or someone asking question number 22, I think so. The
It was
last
me.
question of today, I'm going to solve. After that, I'm stopping. Take screenshot, please. Take screenshot. Okay. I'm erasing now. And I'm doing last question of today. And that is question number 22. Because time problem, a to power half into b to power 2 by 3 divided by a to power cube. And okay, time b to power 2 by 3 and the root of the whole. First of all, a to power half, b to power 2 by 3 untouched. But down I can say there's a whole is a half. All of you know why I'm writing half. Because root is half. Yumna, because inside multiply sign, I can give this power to both. So I can say a to power half, b to power 2 by 3. This half multiply with that, it becomes a to power 3 by 2. And multiply with that, and you Yumna 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, only one, only b to power 1 by 3. Ibad, open your mic. Up till now, understanding or not?
Sir, I think that you wrote it wrong. The A has power minus 1 by 2.
Oh, yeah, thank you very much. Not one mistake. I did two mistake. And another minus sign in here
B.
inside. Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. And I'm writing also here minus sign. This minus sign, I will write again. So this minus sign, a big I'm writing. Now I'm big. Is it okay now? I think now okay. Now I'm writing. Okay, Ibad, what is the criteria up and down dividing? Your upper value minus lower value. You know the rule?
Yes, sir.
Khalas? Upper value if A is minus half, minus lower value. Similarly, B, upper value minus lower value. Ibad, yes or no, my son?
No, yes, sir. Clear.
And here I got minus 4 by minus 2 I'm getting. And here I got minus plus, I got a 1. So you leave it here or your A will go down. This is my ultimate answer. Because if you type this in calculator, you will get what? You will get 1. And if you type this in calculator, you get minus 2. Yumna, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. So please, anyone, not even Ibad and Yumna, anyone else, open your mic who's not understanding this 22. There's a lot of complicated indices. But if you get a command, really nothing hard. Really nothing hard. I give a clue for this question only. I will not solve. 16 to power p plus half. What is 16? All of you know 2 to power 4. Now 4 into p, 4p, and 4 into 2, 4 into half, sorry. It becomes 2. And now I can say that 2 to power 4 up, and Yumna, this plus sign. If a minus come, we divide. If plus come, we multiply. So this 2 to power p inside, and this 4 I'm writing outside. And this is 2 to power 2 is 4. And he said, I show yellow color. 2 to power p is how much? K. Repeat. 2 to power p how much? K. And my answer is done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is my answer into 4 at the end or into 4 in the starting position. This is my answer of question number 28. I have done 28 also. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and try to rest question yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Take a
Walaikum
picture,
salam.
please.
Thank you.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Then I close. Then I close. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam.